Hey, everybody! Welcome, dear friends, to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily log into another Snapchat account. Don't forget, dear friends, before watching the video, put your like on this video. Also subscribe to the channel and please write your comments after watching. But well, let us get started with you on this topic. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Then on the top left, tap on your Bitmoji to open your account. Now you'll need to tap on the gear in the settings. Please scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the option to log out. After which, confirm your logout. When you are logged out of your One Snapchat account, please click on the bottom right on the option to sign in. And here you can enter your username, email, or phone number that is linked to your other Snapchat account, as well as your password. After that, please click on Sign In. That's the way, dear friends, you can quickly and easily log into your other Even Snapchat app account. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.